tell you, this is the first time I've done this today. Just see where that cave is?
Yo, Trapper, what's up, man?
Just to the right side of the cave up on top is where the sinkhole is.
You're just gonna let it down until it stops moving. Once it stops moving, then you start reeling. Okay? And you fish in, right? Stop reeling. Pull up nice and slow.
So what do we do with this guy?
Reel down. You'll get to it here in a minute. There's a fish up. Don't forget to breathe. Okay, just let him climb if he wants to. It's all about playing the fish.
At a time, Porter. Whoop.
Okay, everybody reel pretty much. In theory, lean tide.
That's a little one. Pretty. On the way back, kids aren't feeling well. How'd you do? Huh? How'd you do? Good. Should have had one of them Dramamine. See you, Porter? Very well.
For breakfast, those birds take off. Came right by the boat. Amazing.
I went out to the water to go and the water's starting to get choppy. No.
Twister, how was it?
The landing was awesome. The fishing was.
Oh, come on, we knocked those
Okay,
fish dead.
we caught a lot of fish, but it was.
It's gonna come to a sudden stop. If you're not holding on, you won't.
That was awesome!
So what we're gonna do is have you guys go and take off your TFDs. It's great, buddy.
It's awesome!
Gonna hammer it in the beach about 15 or 20 miles an hour. Oh my God, she was dead once again.
Let's get it out.
Victory jump.
I can't.
Just caught a
All the wing
fish.
cod, some rockfish.